In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build custom objects in Attio. First, sign into your Attio account. Once you're in, head to your company profile and open Workspace settings. This is where you control the structure of your data, so it's the right place to start. If you don't see the menu right away, look for the settings icon or your Workspace name. Different layouts can place it in the sidebar or the top navigation. Inside Workspace settings, find the Data section and choose Objects. Objects are the backbone of your workspace. This is where standard objects like people and companies live, and where you'll add your own. You're about to create something that fits your team's unique workflow. Click New Custom Object. A custom object is a data type you define to represent something specific to your business. Think things like subscriptions, events, assets, or projects. Each custom object can have its own fields, can relate to other objects, and can be used in lists, views, and automations. In short, it lets you model your real-world processes in a way that the default objects alone can't. Now it's time to name your object. Start with the plural noun. This is the label that appears across lists and navigation, for example, subscriptions, events, or assets. Keep it short, clear, and plural, since it will represent a collection. Consistent capitalization and straightforward wording make it easier for your whole team to find and understand it later. Next, enter the singular noun. This is the name for a single record, like subscription, event, or asset. The singular label shows up in record pages, automations, and actions, so choose a term that reads naturally in sentences, such as create subscription or update asset. When both names look good, click Create Object. Attio will add your new custom object to the objects list, and you'll be ready to configure it further. After creation, you can define fields, set up relationships to other objects, and decide how it should appear in views and workflows. If you already have data, you can import it into this object later, but for now, the core setup is done. To quickly recap, log in, open your Workspace settings, go to Data and then Objects, click New Custom Object, provide a clear plural label and a precise singular label, and click Create Object. That's all it takes to introduce a structured, reusable data type tailored to your team's needs in Attio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe for more.